Ori Olori, káwòdì kò gbé tiẹ̀ lọ, ohun ayé sọ ní dà. Wọ́n fi bú ní bódọ́là. Ori Olori, káwòdì kò gbé tiẹ̀ lọ. So they say, be selfless and put others first. But before you are forced to put others first, have you asked yourself, will these others put you first? See, you're not a fool, so don't think you can make others cup full while leaving yours empty. You can't be having 0 and be giving them 20. I'm not asking you to be careless, and I hope you get me, but they can't keep holding theirs. Why from you they get free? See, there is some mentality from which you need to break away. You can't be living a broke life and be doing a weekly giveaway. So if selfishness means me holding out on a few favors while I get better place to help you and others in the future, I guess I'll be selectively selfish. Tó bá dẹ̀ wù ẹ́, Ori Olori káwòdì gbé tiẹ̀ lọ. Ronú sí dáadáa.